Hello out there, my name is Caitt and welcome to Shark Week. I'm going to be taking some shark knowledge quizzes to see how much I really know about sharks. As I've said in the past, I want to work in conservation of the marine ecosystem, but specifically, I would love to work with sharks. Question 1, sharks have poor vision. That is false. Correct, sharks can see fairly well if the water is clear. Some sharks are able to see colors. I didn't know about the color. They could see colors. Most sharks are dangerous to people. False. Of the more than 380 species of shark, only about 30 are believed to have been responsible for biting people, and only 3, white tiger and bull, I was just gonna mention white tiger and bull, are the most, they're the ones that are responsible for, if there is a shark attack, it's most likely one of those, are considered particularly dangerous. I still want to say sharks are dangerous to people because it is just a case of mistaken identity. They don't target humans specifically. They also, I don't know if there's a question in here, they don't smell blood. They smell fish blood because there's a chemical in fish blood and that is what they're smelling. We don't have that chemical in our blood because human is different than fish. All sharks are carnivores. No. Although some sharks, like tigers, will feed on almost anything, including dead animals, all sharks are carnivorous to some extent. Sharks will feed on plankton. Sharks that feed on plankton are eating small animals, including fish. Okay. I was gonna say whale sharks and basking sharks eat. They're filter feeders, so they eat plankton, but then they also eat everything else that is in that path. There's plant plankton, which are phytoplankton, and animal plankton, which are zooplankton, so any of that could be in the water. Tiger sharks are known to hunt people. I don't believe so. People are not part of any shark's natural diet. As with most sharks, tiger shark bites may often be cases of mistaken identity. Considering how many opportunities tiger sharks have to bite people, the low numbers of bites that actually occur suggests tiger sharks mostly avoid people. All sharks give birth to live young. I want to say true, but I feel like there's one that doesn't. I'm gonna say true. False. I knew it. Some sharks, especially demersal bottom-dwelling species, that's what I was gonna say, lay eggs by producing various forms of egg cases, but most sharks are live bearing. I knew that there were shark eggs, but I just didn't know if they hatched out of the egg while in the mother and then swam out, and then the egg was just ejected later. Sharks have no bones. I want to say true. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna say the word wrong. Cartilaginous. Shark skeletons are made entirely of cartilage, not bone. Most sharks have to keep swimming to breathe. False. It says most though, which is throwing me off. True, okay, because I know there are some that it's gonna say it. Most sharks have to swim to force water over their gills, but many bottom-dwelling species have muscles in their pharynx, did I say it? Throat, that enable them to pump water over their gills while they're not moving. Shark teeth are embedded in sockets in their jaws. This I don't actually know. I want to say no, false. Yep, shark teeth are attached to fibrous connective tissue, which is attached to the jaw. There's no direct attachment between teeth and jaws. Oh, yeah, well I knew, okay. I knew they weren't just attached to the jaw. Sharks are mostly found in murky waters. False. I think they like shallow water. Sharks are found in any kind of water, regardless of how clear or murky it may be. I think juvenile sharks like shallower, clearer waters though. You can hit a shark to make it go away. True. Sharks are vulnerable in some areas like the eye, snout, and gills, and hitting a shark there may make it leave. I was gonna point that out. I'm like, it didn't say where to hit the shark. But yes, you can hit them on the snout to make them turn away from you. On the other hand, it could make the shark more aggressive. Studies have shown that much more often than not, hitting a shark will have the desired effect, but it should be a last resort. Use an available object as a weapon as you can. That is good advice. If you hit a shark with your hand, you're gonna be putting your hand very close to that shark's mouth. Sharks can cause more deaths in Hawaiian waters than any other animal. False. More people drown picking up opihi than are killed by sharks. Fatal shark bites are extremely rare, so the opihi might be considered Hawaii's most dangerous sea creature. You're more likely to be struck by lightning than bit by a shark in Hawaii. True. Oh, false. Sorry, it's a trick question. Although that's true for most of the rest of the world, Hawaii has very few electrical storms, and People are almost never hit by lightning, but you are more likely to be injured by a falling coconut than a shark. Sharks may be attracted to any type of human body fluid. False. True, but the operative word is may. Blood will certainly attract the attention of a shark. Other bodily fluids, such as urine or sweat, could probably be detected by sharks, but whether sharks find them attractive is unknown. Interesting. Sharks must roll over to bite. That's false? What? Most sharks take prey in an upright and level body position. Roll their whole body, okay. The loose attachment of a shark's jaws to its skull makes it possible for sharks to bite in any position. Sharks are dumb. False. What the heck? Some sharks have brains that are larger than those of birds and mammals of similar sizes and have been reported to learn at about the same rate as some birds and mammals. They've been trained to swim mazes and perform other tasks for food. The megamouth shark, my favorite shark, on the other hand, has a very small brain, oh no, about half the size of an adult human thumb. So it's hard to speculate on its capacity for learning. Aw, poor megamouth. Sharks attack submarines. I mean, I guess mistaken identity. Of course, this is a foreign object in their home. True. Submarines and their towed arrays have been bitten many times by sharks, and so have various types of underwater cables. The sharks are probably attracted to electromagnetic fields, visual stimuli, or sounds produced by these objects. Alright, so I got a 68 and the average score is a 68, so I'll take it. Test your shark ID skills. There are 15 questions randomly selected from the Shark ID course final exam, which tests your ability to ID sharks from photos. Question, what shark species is this? It's not a bull. I want to say that it's a silky? It's either short fin mako or blue. I've never heard of a spinner shark, so that might be throwing me off. I think it's a blue. I want to say it's an oceanic whitetip, but it is by a coral reef, so I'm gonna say silvertip. Oceanic whitetips are the ones that you want to avoid. They're the ones that got the bad reputation for sharks swimming around shipwrecks. I don't think it's a ragged tooth. It's not a basking, it's not a white. I don't even think it's a mako, I think it's a porbeagle. What shark species is this? That is a tiger shark. I want to say sandbar. What shark species is this? Wow, oh my god. I was gonna say it's a hammerhead. Great hammerhead, scalloped hammerhead, or smooth hammerhead though. I want to say scalloped because it's definitely scalloped. What shark species is this? A thresher. Pelagic thresher, there we go. I said gray reef for one of them. I'm gonna say Galapagos shark. I've never heard of that type of shark. It's not a thresher, it's not a basking. Spotted ragged tooth, yep. I didn't even see the words ragged tooth. I kind of want to say this was a spinner shark because it almost resembles a spinner dolphin, I think. Unless I'm thinking of the wrong type of dolphin. This is a black tip. I can't really see the snout in this picture. I'm pretty sure it's a bull though. You could tell the bull shark by the snout. This is a great hammerhead. What shark species are these? They're not bull. They're not silver tip. They're not white tip. Oh, white tip reef sharks. Actually, I can't see. They might be white tip reef sharks. Oh, I got an 80%. The ultimate shark quiz. What's the second largest type of shark? Clue, it's the shark in this picture. It's basking shark. What are the faces on these? What is the most poisonous type of shark? If it's in this picture, that's a Greenland. What are shark eggs called? Pods. Sharks don't sleep, true or false? False. How many species of shark are there? I'm gonna say almost 500 because there are a lot of shark species that aren't known. Well, actually, does that say known? No, it doesn't. What does shark skin feel like? It feels, I'm gonna say sandpaper because it's not smooth. A baby shark is called a sharklet. Heck. False, it's called a pup. Which ocean do sharks live in? Sharks have eyelids, true or false? They don't have like an eyelid, but the eye can like move. So I think false. What's the name of the smallest breed of shark? Measuring just 6 inches. A dwarf lantern shark. Sharks can swim backwards, true or false? I don't think they can. False. 6-gill sharks can birth 2 litters of up to how many pups? Why do I feel like it's 100? I feel like it's 100. How many teeth will sharks grow and lose in their lifetime? I want to say 30,000. What is the fastest type of shark? Mako. The whale shark is the world's largest shark. True or false? True. You got 12 out of 15. Probably gonna be the eyelid one. And then sharks don't sleep. Mermaid purses? Really? I actually did not know that. Now this last quiz I'm gonna take is a personality quiz. So I'm gonna find out what kind of shark I am. For people like us, every week is Shark Week. Take this fantastic personality quiz and unleash your inner shark. Where is your dream beach destination? That would be like my dream place to work, especially marine conservation, especially there. What would be your wrestling stage name? Probably none of these. I like the chameleon though. What frightens you? I kind of want to say massive crowds, especially if I'm with someone and I lose them. What's your dream job? I guess lawyer. What kind of music is mostly on your morning playlist? Classics from yesteryear, yeah. R&B or something to groove to, musicals, top 40, anything energetic with a strong beat. I am all about the throwbacks. Join our school. Wait, what's school? What am I doing? Okay. Submit. I'm a bull shark. You're adaptable, able to live in both fresh and salt water, but because of your preferred habitat along the coastlines, you're vulnerable to both pollution and habitat degradation from climate change and development. You're known for your bad temper and your tendency to headbutt your prey before biting it. Perhaps it's not surprising you tend to be a loner who prefers to hunt solo. Why am I tearing up? Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to be notified whenever I upload. I'll link all the quizzes that I took down below. If you take that shark personality quiz, please tell me what type of shark you get, because bull shark was the last shark that I was expecting for me. And I will see you in 2 weeks with another new video that is also shark related. Oh my god. Bye. Wait, that was so wrong. Bye. Oh no.